I'm Francisca Luong James. Well, it is my official photo shoot as Miss Universe Malaysia 2020. I've done a lot of preparation for this photo shoot, of course, because it's my first official photo shoot as Miss Universe Malaysia 2020.
She's a natural, she's been doing so much stuff in front of the camera already. She's like a pro in there.
Francisca Luong James, Malaysia.